Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I am to discuss the exercise of simplification of algebraic fractions. Okay, so already we started this chapter. In last class we have discussed theory part as well as examples. Okay, examples are already completed. So now we will discuss further exercise 18a. Okay, so you should get ready everyone with your copies, and that easy problems are there that at first you can try also, because already we have done that factorization problem, that chapter from the factorization maximum problems. Okay, we can solve also. Here basically all problems given from the factorization chapter, so that's why we can do that. Clear? If you practice it, if you try, you can solve it also, because all problems are same type of problem like factorization. Clear? Okay, so now let's start exercise 18a. See, first question is telling here, find the HCF and LCM. Find the HCF and LCM of the following monomials. Question is what? Question is telling here, find the HCF and LCM of the monomials, of the following monomials. So first question number 1 is given here. See, AB square and A square B. A square B. We have to find out what's our HCF and LCM. So how to find out, sir? HCF I told you, no. HCF means what, sir? Highest common factor. So at first we have to see that any common factor is there or not. Common factor. So here see, two variables are given here. A, here AB square, and here A square B. Two variables AB, here also AB. So first here A, only single A is here. Okay, but here A square given, so that means we can take common what's are A. Clear? Understood? Next, here B square given, but here B given. So for that common portion, which one will take, sir? B will take, because here B square given, but not here B square given, only B given. So that's why AB is the common factor, and AB is the highest common factor. So that means it is what, sir? HCF. AB is the HCF. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. Next, if we find out, sir, LCM of this same question, LCM. So what will come, sir? We get, first see here A square. So which one will take? I told you before that for LCM we will take what, sir? Highest power. Okay, highest power will take. So here highest power means, see, here A and A square. So which one will take, sir? Here A square will take. Clear? A and A square, which one will take? For A, from A and A square we will take what, sir? A square. Clear? And B square and B, which one will take for LCM? B square will take. Understood? So this is LCM, sir. This is LCM. So HCF AB and LCM A square B square. Understood, sir? Clear? I have clear. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is telling here, A cube B square, A cube B square and A square B to the power 4, A square B to the power 4. Okay, same question, only data are different, so that's why we have to find out what's our LCM and HCF. At first HCF we are finding. Okay, HCF, find out HCF. So HCF will come what, sir? Here see, A cube given, here A square given. So for HCF we will take what, sir? A square will take. Okay, and here B square B to the power 4. Which one will take for HCF? B square will take. Understood? Clear? Next LCM. LCM, for LCM which one will take, sir? LCM highest power, see a cube and a square, that means a cube will take. Clear? And b square and b to the power 4, so which one will take for LCM? B to the power 4 will take, b to the power 4. So we are getting what, sir? HCF a square b square and LCM a cube b to the power 4. Clear? Easy or not? Very easy. You can try or not? You can try it also. You have to do, because easy. Only that same concept for LCM and HCF. HCF, when we are taking that lowest power we are taking, okay, and LCM we are taking, sir, highest power. That is the thing. Clear? Next what, sir? Question number 3. Question number 3 is telling here 4x square y cube and 6x y to the power 4. 4x square y cube. So I am writing here question number 3, 4x square y cube and 3x to the power 4. And 6x y to the power 4. Okay, 4x square y cube and 6x y to the power 4. 6x y to the power 4. This is the question. So we have to find out, sir, what, sir? HCF and LCM. So directly we can do it or not? Directly we can do it. Clear? Okay. So see how to do, sir. At first here given numerical coefficient given and literal coefficient also given. Clear? So at first we have to find out, sir, what? HCF of numerical coefficient, after that literal coefficient. That means we have to find out that HCF of 4 and 6 at first. At first we have to find out, sir, HCF of 4 and 6. Clear? So if we find out that HCF of 4 and 6, what we get, sir? We get what, sir? 2 only. We get 2 only. So we have to write it here 2. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Next what, sir? Here x square given, x given here. So which one will take, sir? X square and x, which one will take? For HCF, x will take. Okay. Next, y cube here given and y to the power 4 given. So which one will take for HCF? Y cube will take, lowest power. Clear? Next, HCF complete. So LCM, see, LCM of 4 and 6. At first we have to find out LCM. LCM of 4 and 6 will be what, sir? 12. Clear or not? Otherwise you have to find it also. You can find also. So 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6. So ultimately we are getting what, sir? 2 2 is 4 and 3 12. Clear? So that means here at first 12 will come. Okay. Next, x square and x, which one will take for LCM? X square will take. X square will take. And y cube y to the power 4. Y to the power 4 will take. So that is the LCM. Easy or hard? Very easy. You can do it. If you try, you can do it. Otherwise that cannot solve it. Okay. Same concept, only practice is needed. So that's why you have to try it at first, and if you practice it, if you try it, so you can do it. Clear? Okay. Next. So 3 finished. Next, sir, question number 4. Question number 4 is given here. Question number 4 is given here. 6abc and 9bc square d. 6abc and 9bc square d. Question number 4. 6abc and 9c. What is the 9bc square d? 9bc square d. That is the question. 6abc and 9bc square d. So after writing the question, you have to check it, because sometimes that you can write that wrong question also, and if you write the wrong question, so that means that your answer will be wrong only, or correct, wrong only. So that's why you have to check it once. So 6 ABC and 9 B C square D. Okay, this is the question. So how to do, sir? Here also same way we have to do it. We have to find out, sir, HCF and LCM. Okay, HCF what, sir? HCF. So HCF of 6 and 9, HCF of 6 and 9 will be what? 3 only. That is the HCF. Clear? Because 3 2 is 6 and 3 3 is 9. That is what? HCF. Okay, clear? So HCF of 6 and 9 we are getting what, sir? 3. After that, common portion C from literal coefficient. Here A given, but here A is there. A is there? No, sir, it is not there. That means we cannot take it for HCF, because no common portion we are not get, means we are not getting any common portion. Okay, for A. After that we have to check it, sir. B common is there or not? Any B? Here B is there, 1. Here also B is there. That means 1 1 we can take it. Clear? Here also B, single B given, here the single B given. That means we can take for HCF. Clear? Understood? Next, C. Here C, here C given, here also C square given, here C square given. So which one will take for the HCF? Only C will take. Only C will take. Clear? Okay. So here all parts complete here, but here given, sir, D given, but D is not there in the first part. First part D is there? No, is not there. So that means we cannot take it for HCF. Clear? So HCF will be 3BC only. That is the HCF. Clear up to this one? Clear or not? Understood? Okay. Now we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 6 and 9, see. LCM of 6 and 9. What's that? LCM of 6 and 9, 18 only. So you can find out also. If you do that, you can do it directly. Otherwise, you can find out the LCM and HCF, all the things. So see, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Clear? So if we multiply, will come, what will come? 3 2 is 6, 6 into 3, 18. So that means 18 is coming. Clear? And that is what, sir? LCM. That is LCM. So at first we have to write it here, 18. Okay. After that here A. After that A is there in first part, but second part no A. But for LCM it will come, because LCM is telling that at first we have to take the common portion. After that extra one also we have to take it. Okay, means extra one also, whatever extra is there, that one also we have to take it. So that means A extra one is given, so that means we can take it A. Okay, B check it once. B here 1, here also 1, we can take it. Yes, we have to take. Okay, C for C here single C given, but here given C square. So which one will take for LCM? LCM we have to take it, sir, C square. Clear? Okay, and D is not here in the first part, but second part D is there, so that also we have to take it for LCM. Clear? So for LCM, common part as well as extra part also we have to take it. Means extra one, whatever is the given extra coefficient, or extra coefficient we can take it. Understood? So that is the HCF and LCM. Clear? Understood, sir? Okay. So next question is, sir, question number 5. Question number 5 given here, 3 parts given here. First part given here, sir, 2m square n cube. Second one given 3m n square, and third 4m cube n. Okay. So at first you have to write that question. First given what, sir? 2m square n cube. So I am writing here question number 5. 2m square n cube. After that what sir? 3m n square. 3m n square. First 2m square n cube, another one 3m n square, and last one 4m cube n. 4m cube n. This is the question. You have to find out sir what? HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. So what to do sir at first? See, here 2 given, numerical coefficient, here 3 given, here 4 given. So we have to find out sir HCF of 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Clear? We have to find out the HCF. But see, here any common portion is there. HCF means highest common factor. Any common portion is there? No sir. So that means HCF will be 1 only. HCF will be HCF of 2, 3, 4 will be what sir? Only 1. Okay? Clear? Okay. So 1 I am writing here into. After that here m square given, here m given, m cube given. So which one will take? M square, m and m cube. M will take only. Lowest power will take for HCF. Next what sir? N cube given here, n cube, here n square, and here n. So n will take only. Clear? Understood? So just do the multiplication. 1 into m is only 1, no need to write it. 1 into m means m only, so m into n, mn is the HCF. Clear? Understood? Now we find out what sir? LCM. LCM what? LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4 will be what sir? LCM of 2, 3, 4, 12 will come. 12. You can do it also. 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 1 is 2, here 3, and 2 2 is 4. Clear? So that means we are getting what sir? 12 we are getting. That means we are getting what? 12. Okay. Into. After that what? Little coefficient take. Little coefficient, here m square given, here m given, m cube given. So which one will take for LCM? M cube will take highest power. Okay. Clear? And n cube, first given here n cube, n square, and n, which one will take sir? N cube will take. Clear? Okay. After that multiplication, so that means 12 m cube, n cube we are getting. So that is the LCM, and that is the answer also. That is the answer also. Clear? A7 LCM. Clear everyone? Clear? Okay. Next what? I finished. Next, question number 6. Question number 6 is telling here 5x cube y square, 10x square z square, and 15y cube z cube. That is the question. So at first we have to write the question. We have to write the question at first. Okay. Just see. Write the question and try it everyone. Question number 6 and 7 left. So these two questions at first we will do it. Okay. Today up to this one, up to that 2 questions. The next that we have to do it. The another problem also we will do it. So 6 and 7 only we will do now. Okay. Okay. So see. Question number 6. 5x cube y square. 5x cube. Question number 6. 5x cube y square. Next what sir? 10x square z square. 10x square z square. X square z square. And another one, another part, 15y cube z cube. 15y cube z cube. 15y cube z cube. This is the question. 5x cube y square, 10x square z square. Yes, 5x cube y square, 10x square z square, and 15y cube z cube. That is the question. So we have to find out sir what? HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. So at first we have to find out the HCF of 5, 10 and 15. HCF of 5, 10 and 15. Clear? So HCF of 5, 10 and 15, what will come, sir? 5 only. Clear? So you can do it also. You can find out that HCF also. So here see 5 1 is 5, here 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. Okay. So common which one we are getting, sir? We are getting, sir, what? Only 5 common portion we are getting. So HCF will be 5. HCF will be 5. Okay. So 5. After that, take common portion from the literal coefficient. Okay. So literal coefficient at first see from first part we are getting here x cube. Second part x square. Okay. But third part no x is there. So that means we cannot take it. We cannot take it for HCF. Okay. So next check it once, sir. Y is there in first term. Okay. Means first part y is there, but here second part no y, but again third part given. So that means this also we cannot take it. Y also we cannot take it, because common portion we have to take, no, from first, second and third part, but we are not getting. In 2 parts we are getting, but not 3 parts, not in 3 parts. So that's why we cannot take it. Clear? Similarly z also, here z, see in first part no z, but here second part z square given and z cube given. So that means we cannot take it this one also. Okay. So that means here only 1 will come. Only 1 will come. That means 5 into 1 only 5 is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. So next find out, sir, LCM. So LCM of here first numerical coefficient, what, sir? 5, 10 and 15 given. So find out the LCM of numerical coefficients. Okay. So here 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15. So that means we are getting what, sir? 5 into 2 10, 10 into 3 30. That is the LCM of the numerical coefficients. Okay. Write it here at first. Numerical coefficient. The LCM we have taken. Clear? After that, what, sir? Literal coefficient is there. So from literal coefficient we have to take the LCM. Okay. So at first common portion we have to take. After that the extra portion whatever is there, that one we will take it. Okay. So see here, first given, sir, x cube. Second part x square given, but third part no x. But for LCM we can take it. For LCM we can take it. So highest power we will take it. Highest power, what, sir? X cube is there. So that means we can take it, what, sir? X cube. Clear? Into, see that variable y square is there here, and in second part no y, but third part y cube is there. So which one will take for that LCM? Y cube will take. Clear? And z, see z, first part is there in z. In first part z is there? No, sir, not there. But second part z square is there, third part z cube is there. So which one will take, sir? Highest power will take z cube. So that means we are getting what, sir? 3 z 30 here, 30 x cube, y cube, z cube. That is the LCM. That is the LCM. Clear? Understood? Okay. So 6 complete. Next, what, sir? Question number 7. Question number 7 is telling here 6x square y square z to the power 4. We have to write the question 6x square y square z to the power 4. Question number 7, 6x square x square y square z to the power 4. 6x square y square z to the power 4. Next, what, sir? 9x to the power 4 y to the power 5 z. 9x to the power 4 y to the power 4 z. Y to the power 5, sorry, y to the power 5 z. 9x to the power 4 y to the power 5 z. And last part last part 12x y square z cube, 12x y square z cube, 12x y square z cube. That is the question. Just at first you have to check it once. 6x square y square z to the power 4, 6x square y square z to the power 4, and 9x to the power 4, y to the power 5z, y to the power 5z, and last one what sir? 12x y square z cube, 12x y square z cube. Okay, so first we have to find out sir ACF. So here 6, 9 and 12 given, 6, 9 and 12. So we have to find out sir ACF. So ACF of 6, 9 and 12 will be what sir? ACF of 6, 9 and 12 directly we can do it sir 3, because 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So that means we can take it directly 3. Clear? Understood or not? Clear everyone? Next what sir? X square given, here x to the power 4 given, here x given. So which one will take sir? Which one will take? X will take only, x will take. Clear? See y, here y square given, here y to the power 5 given, here y square given. So that lowest power we have to take it, means y square, because y square in first part also y square, last part also y square, and second part y to the power 5 given, so that's why. And for z, see here z to the power 4, second part only z, third part z cube. So which one will take? Z only will take, because lowest power. So that is the ECF. Just do the multiplication. That means we are getting what sir? 3x y square z, 3x y square z. Okay, next what's our LCM? Next LCM of 6, 9 and 12 LCM. Okay, so here see 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, and 3 4 is 12. Again this one divisible by 2, 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 2 is 4. Clear? Okay, so that means we are getting what sir? 3 2 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 is 36, 18 is 36. So LCM will be what sir? 36. Clear? Understood everyone? Okay, so next what sir? That take the any common portion is there, other common, other directly we can do it. The highest power will take for LCM. That is the better process. Okay, so highest power, see here x square, x to the power 4 x. So which one will take? X to the power 4 will take, x to the power 4 into y square given, here y to the power 5 given, here y square given. So which one will take? Y to the power 5 will take. Clear? Here z to the power 4, z cube, which one will take sir? Z to the power 4 will take. Clear? So do the multiplication. 36 x to the power 4, y to the power 5, y to the power 5, z to the power 4. 36 x to the power 4, y to the power 5, z to the power 4. That is the answer. Clear? Clear or not everyone? I hope clear. So up to this one today. So you have to practice it. Next day we will discuss the next problem, whatever is there. So what is your homework sir? Homework, all examples as well as the first question number, the find out the LCM. So what is your homework? All examples as well as and whatever we discussed today. Question number what sir? Suppose A, I think is there, A is there. Exercise 18A, first problem is 1 to up to 7. 18A 1 to up to 7, and exercise 18A 1 to up to 7. You have to practice it and submit it. Practice and submit. Clear? Clear or not? And even doubt, you any problem, so you should inform me. I will help you again. I will explain, but you have to practice it and show me. All students, that is your work. Clear everyone? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.